Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Defender with the error code 0x80004004 in Windows computer. So this error code 0x80004004 occurs when there is a problem with the Microsoft Defender tools functionality. So this error can occur when attempting to launch the applications, updating it, or performing a scan. So this error can have a significant impact on users because it jeopardizes Microsoft Defender's ability to effectively protect the system. Without the antivirus tool, the system is vulnerable to a variety of security threats, including malware infections, data breaches, and unauthorized access to personal informations. Then I'll show you steps that help to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart the Microsoft Defender services. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run. And then once you open up here at run command, so here in box, then we need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And then once you open up here at services and services local, and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protections. So all you have to do is to scroll down and then find that services. And then once you find already this Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection Service, help protects against advanced. So all you have to do is to select and then right click. And then we need to check if these services if already running or not. So since this services is not running, so all you have to do is to select this properties. And then here at general properties, then we need to modify the services. So here at startup type, then you need to click this arrow and you need to select this automatic, and then you need to tap or click this service status. So click this is start and wait to complete the start process. And then after that, you need to click apply and then you need to click OK. Alright, so after here at services and services local, and then we need to close. If the error still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to check for Windows Defender updates. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu. And then here we need to type this Windows Security. And then we need to click open. And then once you open up here at Windows Security, and then you need to tap this virus and threat protections. And next step, then you need to scroll down. And then under here at virus and threat protections update, then you need to click or tap this check for updates. And next step, then you can see this protections updates, and then security intelligence, then you need to tap this check for updates. And we will wait to complete for checking for updates this protections updates security. And then once you're done here, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to fix corrupted system files. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu. And then you need to type cmd, or this is the command prompt. And then you need to click or tap this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at administrator command prompt, and then we need to type and enter this command keyword sfc space /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker, which scan all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And then we need to close this CMD and we need to restart by clicking this start power button and then click this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.